Hi, my name is Yasir. I'm a Google Partner Academy trainer. I'm a senior consultant here at Insights Dubai. Today we are going to talk about 4 key factors for landing page optimization. Okay, I've seen a lot of people struggling in optimizing and in improving the conversion rate on their landing pages. So here are the 4 key factors that will help you for optimizing your landing pages. Okay, so let's start. Number 1 is your content optimization. The content that is there on your landing page should be the most relevant content with your campaign. Okay, so if you're launching a campaign for MBA course, the landing page content should be related to MBA course, not about any other course. Okay, so the content should be most optimized and most relevant to the campaigns for which you are creating this landing page, and this content should be original, the very important factor. Again, this content should be very original. Okay, so the first factor, content optimization. Second thing is the speed optimization, or we can talk about a technical optimization. Basically, speed is related to the techniques on which the website has been built. So you need to talk about speed optimization with your developer. Your landing page speed should be quick. It should be loaded within first 2 to 3 seconds. We have seen 70% of people bouncing off from the website if the website doesn't load within 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, so your landing page should be extremely fast to load, especially because you are using landing page for your campaigns, for your paid campaigns. It should be quick to load. Okay, so having a fast landing page speed will help in improving your conversion rate. So this was second point, that is speed optimization. Third point is having no navigation bar on your landing page. I have seen a lot of campaigns and there are navigation bars in their landing pages. This actually distracts the user, and user tends to go to other pages while as we want user to fill up the form on that particular landing page. Okay, so there should be no navigation bar on your landing page. This will help in improving your conversion rate on the landing page. This was third. Fourth one is having a form on your landing page so that people can come, fill in their details and convert. Okay, this is also very crucial. Now I have seen a lot of landing pages having long forms and people actually struggling to fill up those forms. We should have short and crisp forms on landing pages, like having 3 to 4 fields maximum is what I suggest, not more than four fields on your form on the landing page, because if you have more fields, people struggle to fill up those forms and ultimately don't convert, they bounce off from the website. So having a form and having a form with the minimum number of fields on your landing page is what I suggest. So these were the 4 key factors for improving your landing page optimization. Number 1, content optimization. Second, technical optimization or speed optimization of your website. Third, having no navigation bar on your landing page. Fourth one is having a form on your landing page with the minimum number of elements or with the minimum number of fields there. Okay, thank you.